and welcome to my channel. My name is Erum Shaheen and I am here to teach you every knowledge and strategies I followed in the last 3 years to become an expert in digital marketing. After strictly following those strategies, I not only got a strong position in digital marketing industry but got the financial independence too. If you want to achieve all of these, then watch this video till the end. In today's digital world, it's more important to learn a skill than ever before, and learning digital marketing is the best choice. Digital marketing is a broad term that encompasses a variety of strategies including search engine optimization, search engine marketing that is known as SEM, Google Ads or PPC marketing, social media marketing, content marketing and email marketing. Among these channels, Google and YouTube ads are the most popular digital marketing platform, being the best successful. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned pro, I have got something for everyone. I will cover everything from the basics to advanced strategies of digital marketing for running successful Google and YouTube ads campaign. You can run these campaigns for your clients and charge them for your services, or you can do it for your own business growth. I am passionate about two things. One is to help businesses succeed online. Two is helping aspiring marketers to start their freelance journey. And I believe that digital marketing is the key. With the right tools and knowledge, anyone can achieve their business goals or can make a successful freelance career like I did, because Google is the most powerful advertising platform. So here are just a few of the benefits you will be getting if you subscribe to my channel. Learn from the best. I only teach proven strategies and tactics that I have used myself to achieve success. Second, stay up to date. Google ads are constantly changing, so I will always be providing you the content of the latest trends and best practices. Number third is get personalized tips. I am here to answer your questions and help you troubleshoot any problem you are having. If you are serious about growing your business or making a career with digital marketing, then you need to subscribe to my channel today. Let's start your digital marketing journey together. Happy learning.